Hi, welcome to Shopify Nova. So I'm just going to sit and make the next video, integrate our custom app with our backend server. Then I have noticed I have a Gmail, and one of my beloved subscriber request me something like that. Could you start the playlist with a real project example? It would be incredibly valuable if you could cover a data migration project, for instance, migrating millions of records to Shopify in a highly scalable way. This is something I'm currently struggling with, and a step-by-step example would help me and many others a lot. The subscriber actually, I'm assuming he has a client and who wants actually migrating his business from other platform to Shopify, and he has not some bucks of data, he has millions of data, and my subscriber actually struggling with migrating that data uh, uh, with a scalable way. So yeah, he suggests me to continue this playlist with this project that actually help him and maybe help many other as well. So I think why not actually? Why not help him, and why not continue this project with my playlist as well? So I uh, actually then break my tutorials and I rethink that I can continue this project, and this actually help you guys to learn the Shopify custom app things as well, how we can scale, how we can optimize our backend for millions of data. I think it will be fantastic and a fun way to learn the things. So when I actually read his email, then I could think something like that to build a project, and we can assume we have a client who want to migrate his business to Shopify from other platform like WordPress, Magento, or something like the self-hosted platform, and the client wants to migrate everything like customers, products, orders, gift cards, draft orders, contents, pages, blogs, files, images, everything to Shopify. And for assume, uh, we think we can assume that he has 100k customers, 40k products, and 2 millions of orders, and that needs to migrate with high efficiency and high throughput, maintaining reliability. What I mean by throughput is like that we need to migrate 60, 70, 80 data per second as per Shopify's allow us, because we know that every platform, every business has a rate limit system. So we actually don't know how much actually Shopify allow us, because it depends on the package you use. If you use basic, you can have a certain amount of rate limit. If you have plus, so you have a certain amount of rate limit. So we need to confirm these things, how much actually Shopify wants us to hit his backend. uh, and maintaining reliability means what I mean actually, uh, suppose we have 2 millions of orders, so we need to migrate 2 millions of orders as per Shopify allows, because if you know, if some format actually Shopify doesn't allow, that means it has some fault or faulty data. So as per Shopify allows, the reliability we should actually maintain. So as you already have the requirements, we need to develop a system, we need to develop a backend server where we should achieve data reliability. Yeah, so we should not miss a single data. Controlled concurrency. Yeah, we should respect the rate limit, and we should control the concurrency to speed up the things, because for 2 million data migrate you cannot use 7, 8, 10 days. You need to complete it by 10, 20 hours. So we need the controlled concurrency. Yeah, and prefilling hot cache. Yeah, so because for orders you need products, you need customers in these orders. So we need the customers, products, and many other things. We need to cache it to speed up the things and reduce the API call to the database and batch calls. Yeah, if okay, batch, the spelling, there is a spelling mistake. Okay, so if Shopify allows batch calls, so we should actually use it. And we know for some things like customers, products, Shopify allow batch, but for orders, Shopify doesn't allow batch. So we should use concurrency for orders. Is streaming the old data. Yeah, so the client, we assume the client has a CSV of the data, so we should streaming the data, not actually store the data in memory, of all the data in memory. So we should stream from Google Drive or something else, like that. So proper error handling must, because there's some network errors, there's some other errors, so you need to have proper error handling, proper logs, proper metrics, obviously retrying and backup mechanism, because as we actually migrate millions of data, so there's a possibility, and a very much possibility of network issues or some other issues. So we need to retry the API request, and we need to have backup mechanism. And also we need CI/CD with GitHub Actions, because we cannot migrate the data with our local server, because the network issues and the internet issues, and as it's actually running 10-12 hours, so we need a way, we need a server which is actually running 24/7. So we are going to use GitHub Actions for that. So that's a fantastic project, I think. And in this playlist we'll develop an optimized system for the client, considering 0000 error and high throw output. So let's have fun learning optimized Shopify custom app development in the next tutorial. So in the next video we will actually set up the project, and then we actually continue with this project, and we teach you and we learn the Shopify custom app together. So I think it will be a fun. Until then, have a good day.